welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is this look. Super cute. I absolutely love it. It is actually a collaboration with Beauty.Space. He is a local Perth makeup enthusiast just like me. We actually met a few weeks ago and we decided to shop each other's stash for our very first collab together. So he chose all the products that I am wearing on my face today. I was able to discover some new favorites because he rated my brand new makeup box, as well as rediscover some of my old favorites that I haven't been using for ages. So I'm super excited about this look and playing with all that makeup. So if you want to see how I do this, and then make sure you keep watching, and don't forget to head over and check out James Beauty.Space. I will list all his socials along here, and I'll make sure to leave them down below for you as well, and you can watch his video where I've chosen all his makeup. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's jump in. So this is the finished look. I think it is absolutely stunning, and I just gotta say that I absolutely love the Pat McGrath palettes. They are all shimmers though, so I'm excited to combine them with like some mattes to be able to come up with some more stunning looks. Super excited he chose those two new palettes from my stash for me to try, because they have been sitting there for a little while and I hadn't tried them yet, so that was super exciting. So just quickly before I end off the video, don't forget to head over and check out James' Beauty.Space. I will add his socials here and I'll also link them down below. He does also have a massive international giveaway going on, so make sure you head over and enter. No matter where in the world you are, you could win this amazing giveaway. There's lots of amazing products that even I would love to win. So yeah, make sure you check that out and enter. If you liked today's video and you want us to do another collab, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below, because that's going to really help us out. And let us know down in the comments some more suggestions of collabs you would like us to do in the future. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!